So my 2016 Cascadia with a DD15, here is the miles. Almost 1.2 million miles on it. That's how long the truck lasts with no problems. Let's get it. What up, people? Step by step, you guys are going to see this whole situation. Dang. It's exciting to some and boring to others. My whole thing is, which one are you? So we're taking it apart, as you see, getting to the bottom of things. Now look at that. It's a little bit burnt, but damn it, it looks good for 1.1 million miles. That means good oil changes, good maintenance, everything. Of course, they got to get replaced, but this shows how well the truck was taken care of. So, let's go to the next page. You ready? It's time to take the head off. Here's where we're at so far, people. It's coming apart, coming apart. Yeah. The blue truck. Look what we got here. Yeah. We're getting it done, people. We're getting it done. Yeah. I saw the engine on the truck, man. So it's getting there, people. It's getting there. Wait until you see the next piece. There it is. That's the whole bottom end, people. Brand new. 3-year warranty, unlimited miles, right there in that box. So check them out, man. PAI. Check them out. Gives you the break-in and the orange thing. There's everything listed on the what's in the box. I'm even gonna move it up closer so you guys read what's on the paper, but there it is, brand new stuff, guys. Check it out. So that's everything that's in the box, people. Everything. I'm showing you guys from step 1 until finish, man, on this rebuild. Now we got the parts. We got to cut the block, people. Cut the block, and that's who did it. AJ Block Cutting. Now that he's paid, let's watch him cut the block so you know what that's all about. There's all the steps of cutting the block, people. So when you hear people say, hey, cutting the block, now you know what's going on, right? Now you know what's going on. What do you guys think, man? If you guys like this, hit the like button, show attendance. Why are you guys not subscribed to the channel? I look at the analytics. A lot of people that watch me are brand new. Welcome to the channel. But this is what this channel is about, man. It's about trucking. It's about teaching you guys. You can see the ground from my engine. But, you know, it's exciting, right? I can document everything going on in this engine rebuild. So now I got 2 trucks with fresh engines in them. So some of you guys are bored like, oh man, SoCal, but it's exciting. People, so if you guys are doing an engine rebuild, I wanted to put this out here to show you guys real quick. Attention. Follow the engine break-in period, or excuse me, procedures for the first 1,000 miles. And this is what you're supposed to do, guys. If your mechanic don't tell you, it's right here. Number 1, use conventional motor oil. Do not use synthetic. It's number 1. Number 2, do not idle engine for more than 5 minutes at any one time. That's a big deal, guys. When you're breaking it in for the first 1,000 miles, you cannot idle it because it hasn't been seated yet. You cannot do that. You're going to mess the engine up. Number 3, operate your engine under moderate to heavy load weight at mid to high RPMs as much as possible. So you want to break it in the way you're going to drive it. You don't want to baby it. And then change the oil after the first 1,000 miles. You may use synthetic oil after that, following the procedures. So there you go. Who wants to hear it start up for the very first time? We have it on video. So this thing hasn't even been started yet. And all you guys that fuck with me, rock with me, here's the engine starting for the first time.
Right, here we are. Start it up. As smooth as whiskey, brother. This thing is driving beautifully. I think I want to go drive for you. I really like this truck. You're not supposed to downshift right now. You're not. RPMs go too high either.